everybody and welcome back to my channel. So before I begin, please excuse me, I've got a little bit of a cold, so if I'm sounding a bit under the weather, I am. So anyway, I have these gorgeous new gel polishes here from a company. Now I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Rosalind, is that right? I hope it is. So I have some really gorgeous gel polishes, 7ml bottles here, and they are soak off UV gel polishes. So this is a 12-piece set, so you get all of these 12 gel polishes in the set. They're on the website at the moment for £10, about £11, so a bit of a bargain really. So they are really lovely colours, easy to apply on gel polishes. I have some on my nails here, which I will pop on in the video at the end, so you can see what they look like when I apply them. Really absolutely amazing colours, and oh my goodness, look at this. This is one of my favourites. How stunning is that? Absolutely love it to bits. So sparkly, it's unreal. So I love the purples and pinks and reds, so this was the set I got. There's some other sets on the website. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I am going to apply the gel polishes to some swatches, and so you can see exactly what they look like. So I shall get started. So in this video, guys, I just show you the gel polish. Look how sparkly that is. It really is amazing. Very highly pigmented gel polishes, and the glittery ones really do they are packed full of glitter. So with each gel polish, guys, I just pop on a coat of the gel polish, and then I cure that for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Then I go ahead and pop down a layer of, another coat of gel polish, cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So I don't actually film me putting the top coat on, because otherwise this video would be really super long. So I just film 2 coats of gel polish and cure each coat for 30 seconds. I don't know if you can see, but on the bottle here, just there is the number. They don't have names, these gel polishes, just numbers. So that's how you can identify them, with the numbers. They come in a pack of 12. They've got a few different packs as well. So I chose the pinks, purples and reds. There's other different colours as well that you can go for in different packs. So they've got a lot to choose from, guys. So be sure to check out the website. I will leave the website link in the description box below for you all to check out. And also I will leave a link to their YouTube channel, their Instagram and Facebook. So and I will also leave the link to this set that I have actually got from Rosalind. I do hope I'm pronouncing the name properly. Please excuse me if I've got it wrong, I do apologise. So yeah, and they're also, guys, on TikTok as well, which I am on TikTok as well. So I will be popping these videos on each day, a new gel polish every day on my TikTok account. So be sure to check that out. So the glittery one that you've just seen, and this one here, this is what I've got on my nails. But I do a little video of me popping it on my nails later on at the end of the video. Can you see how highly pigmented these colours are? They go on the nail just like butter. They are so creamy, really lovely. Yeah, beautiful colours, a really lovely selection of colours. As you can imagine, I totally went for the purples, pinks and reds, because purples and pinks are my favourite. And yeah, and I think the glittery ones are just so full of glitter. They're really, really lovely. So, yeah, I shall leave you with it. So there we have it. Aren't these absolutely gorgeous colours? I think these are just perfect for this time of year. Beautiful and sparkly, absolutely gorgeous colours. Really, really pigmented. Like I said, especially the glitter. I mean, oh my life. That's amazing. So pretty. And on my thumb and my the rest of my nails, I have these two. Absolutely love them together. I think they're so gorgeous. So I shall leave the link to these items in the description box. There are other sets that you can purchase on the website, so be sure to check those out. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.